You know, there are a lot of ways that an accident can happen. You can get rear-ended, T-boned, there's a head-on collision, but no matter how you're hurt, put a board-certified civil trial attorney to work for you. I'm Jack Gordon. Call me. Maney and Gordon, 866-344-LAWS. Whether you've suffered an injury, an fender bender, or a catastrophic wreck, don't you think you should have a board-certified civil trial attorney working for you? You know, your health is too important not to. Maney and Gordon, injury attorneys. 1-866-344-LAWS. Look, you're never looking to be injured by someone else's carelessness, but when you are, look for a board-certified civil trial attorney to help you. Call me, I'm Jack Gordon. Maney and Gordon, injury attorneys. 1-866-344-LAWS. From car accidents and slip and fall cases to medical malpractice and wrongful death, don't you deserve a board-certified civil trial attorney working for you? If you've been injured, call me. Maney and Gordon, injury attorneys. 1-866-344-LAWS. Listen, a one-time doctor error can cause a lifetime of pain and discomfort. If you've been the victim of medical malpractice, call a board-certified civil trial attorney. My name is Jack Gordon. 866-344-LAWS. When you've been injured by negligence and you have to navigate the complex waters of insurance claims and lawsuits, don't you want a board-certified civil trial attorney at the helm? If you need help, call me. Maney and Gordon, 866-344-LAWS. Thank you for coming to our website. My name is Jack Gordon. Here at the law firm of Maney and Gordon, we have an entire team of trial attorneys that dedicate themselves, commit themselves. We concentrate in areas of medical malpractice, personal injury, and wrongful death, whether it be a slip and fall accident, a car accident, or a physician error. If necessary, we'll take your case to trial. You know, full coverage for purposes of automobile insurance means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. You can be in compliance with the law and have full coverage, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're protected. If you've been in an accident, there may not be coverage to pay for your pain, suffering, mental anguish, whether it be wage loss, medical bills. Call me to learn more. You know, doctors and physicians, very well-educated people, and the issues that they are addressing are complex. There is a big difference between a second medical opinion and a medical error. Two physicians may disagree as to the best way to treat a patient. That doesn't mean one of those doctors is guilty of malpractice. Malpractice means that a physician has deviated below the acceptable standard of care. He has failed to do something that a reasonably prudent doctor would do, or he has done something that a reasonably prudent doctor wouldn't have done. These are complex issues, and for complex issues, you need well-educated, expert attorneys. Call us. You know, one of the biggest compliments I'm paid is when another attorney calls me and asks me to try a case on their behalf, or otherwise asks my assistance in serving as co-counsel. We have people from around the United States calling and asking for assistance like this, and we welcome it. For attorneys in other parts of the nation, or for attorneys here in Florida, if you're looking for assistance as co-counsel, please call. We welcome the opportunity. You know, in addition to having the honor of trying cases for the past 20 years, I've had the pleasure of riding motorcycles for the better part of 30. Here at Maney and Gordon, a substantial part of our practice is dedicated to representing injured bikers. If you've been in a motorcycle accident, call us. People ought not to drive drunk. I shouldn't have to tell you that here on our website. Well, what I do have to tell you is that you ought not to text and drive either. Texting makes an accident 35 to 45% more likely because texting distracts the driver just as much as drinking 3 cocktails. Don't do it. Be safe. Let's defeat negligence. Unfortunately, there are my colleagues and brethren at the bar who call themselves trial attorneys, and they take in cases and they work very hard to create a demand brochure and otherwise negotiate with the insurance company. But if they can't garner a satisfactory settlement, then they drop the case or they call me. If you want to maximize the value of your claim, you need a board-certified civil trial attorney with a team of attorneys, as we have at Maney and Gordon, prepared to try the case, to present the evidence to a jury. That's what it takes. Call us. Properly representing clients means more than simply taking a case in and trying to negotiate a settlement. For more than 35 years at Maney and Gordon, we have been garnering strong settlements by virtue of the fact that we are willing to try cases. In addition to settling cases, we litigate cases. I have a team of trial attorneys who prepare the case from start to finish, from opening statement till the gavel comes down on a verdict.